Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about our new website. In this website you can invest a small amount of TRX and gain a many profit from these websites. I will explain all the information and details about this website. Please like the video and also subscribe the channel so I make a many more videos about earning for you. And please like the video and do a comment in a comment box. Let's start the video. Before starting, I request all viewers please watch the video complete to view all the information about these websites. I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out it and invest in this website to earn many profits. Let's go to the page of registration. You can see a registration page is very simple. You can select your here country code and number, login password, security password, and this is already put it because this is my refer link, and put this code here to sign up in this accounts. I will not show my all information here because many users try to log in my account and the account my freeze out and locked by the website's owner. And please make account so you can enjoy and get a free gift of 1000 TRX from this website. Put here your number first, put your code and login password, security password, and put on this code here in a code portion. Then click on a sign up. I enter into the websites to give you a more and more detail about this. I go to the websites. Here you can see that I entered into the website. This is the latest announcement by the owner of this website, TRX site official telegram group. You can join it. I open this information to give you a detail all information. Basic wallet permanent withdrawal limit deposit 5 to 29,999 TRX, daily withdrawal 2 to 5% deposit. This is the all details of this. You can check out the all pay levels and withdrawal limits. I will describe how to recharge, how to withdrawal in this website. Please watch the video complete. The higher the investment amount, the higher the yield, the faster the return, the higher the daily limit withdrawal. If people sign up invest using your invite link, your promotional account will be rewarded according 10% on the first and 5% on the second tier, 2% on the third tier, and introduction to the mine top 10 mining base in the world, and Tron mining number 1 located next the GR Glio Haware situations in the upper reaches of the Columbia River in Washington state in the north. And this is the cloud system of Tron, and you can see there are 10 Tron mining bases in the world, and you can read out all this information. I cannot read because the video becomes so long and you can not. I will explain all information. I close this portion because I describe other portion of this website. You can see that I rewarded with 1000 TRX as a gift to join in this website as a new user. You can see a team option and language option, notification option, and customer service option. I click on a language option. You can see English, Portuguese, Indonesia, Turkish, Arabic, and all other languages are available. You can check out it. And I click on a notification option. You can see that I click on a notification option. You can see the latest announcement of this website is that I already described, and you can see this notification. I go back to home option and click on a customer service to see you how you can click and join the customer service of this website. You can see a telegram. You can join a telegram and open it by Chrome. You can click on a telegram to contact us with the official customer service. And I come back to trx.site mobile index, and I click on again home options to give you all information about this platform to display and global partner. And you can see a team option, share option, and logout option. First I describe a team option, and at the end of the video I will describe these two portions, how to withdraw, how to recharge in these websites. First I click on a team option. You can see that the web is loading and I have no team in this website because I make the here account are new, and you can see the website is loading and I have a 0 members and 0 in level 1, 0 in level 2, and 0 in level 3. You can see that, and I go back to home option to review you a second portion of this website. This website is loading slowly because this is a very beautiful and have a great look. And I click on a share option. You can see this portion. This portion is For refer and earn system, you can click on a copy link to copy the refer link to earn a many copy and refers earn and rewards. If you share your TRX link to friends who invest in this website, you get a automatically reward in your promotional account. I go back to the platform, mining platform TRX. You can see a wallet options. I have a wallet. 1000 TRX has a reward which is equal to $105. And in the down you can see a join to be a billionaire. To learn more, you can click on a learn more to click all the details about this portion. I click on a learn more. The website is now loading and I will define these all portions. Use cloud mining DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. In the down you can see a platform data display. You can accumulated profits and memberships. You can see the total memberships of this website is this and accumulated profit is that. And in the down about us, we are at our best Tron TRX site. In the down you can see a global partner. These are the global partner that are supporting to this website. You can invest in this website by these wallets and others. And I go back to trading option. You can see that when I click on a trading option, you can see I receive a 60 TRX in trading. This 60 TRX is a price have a very high price. I go to the Google and check a price into a PKR or U2SDT, and I click on a TRX to PKR and I click on a 60 TRX. Here the Tron price is down in those days because of many issues, and this price will up in some days. And you can see that I receive a 577 in a 10 minutes. You can earn a many and many profit from this website. As I click on a receive, I receive in my basic account. You can see that okay, I received, and I go back to the home option. You can see that check my account received or not. You can see my account received. I have a 1000 TRX, but now I have a 1060 TRX. And in the down you can see portions of this already explained. And trading portion, I click on a trading to where you can invest and get a many profit. Trading profit 24 hours settlement view all. I click on a view all. You can see that qualified transaction revenue 60 TRX. This is my TRX. You can check all the information here. And I click on a share option. You can see that I already described this portion about a share option, and I go to me option. You can see that me options of this. You can see the total balance of this and deposit and withdrawal, and my total deposit. Add 5 TRX to account at one time to activate the account and turn on withdrawal functions. And you can own a withdrawal option and transfer to basic account. Notification and logout option, I already describe. First I describe a profit list option. I click on a profit list option. You can check your profit of daily basis, and you can see that my total basic account is 1060, and this is my interest reward from a trading 60 TRX. And I check my all information here about a profit list. And I go to a team option. I already described. Transfer to basic account, I already described. First I describe you the white paper of this website. So I go to the white paper and check you all information about this website. This is the white paper of website. You can see at Tron TRX.site, advanced digital mining platform, white paper, Tron Foundation, discretionary and background source, established time, product replacement token, MBC issuance details, investment returns, investment method, use problem handling, content information. TRX site achieved to turn over more than 47 million US dollars in December 2018. On December 8, 2019, affected by the epidemic, on online investment plan was proposed on March 9, 2020, affected by the global epidemic. And you can see this white paper of this website. I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out all the information about this website discreetly. And you can see a disclaimer. Please read this disclaimer section carefully. If you are in any doubt of the action you should take, you can solve and your illegal financial tax or other professional advice. And this development is a white paper setting out the current and future development of the TRX site network and TRX.site ecosystem. This is white paper is from information purpose only and is not on investment. You can read all it. I cannot read all this information, the video becomes so long, and I go to back the website portion. You can see I give you a detail how to deposit in this website and how to earn a profit from this websites. I click on a deposit option to deposit in this website. I click on a deposit. You can see that I click on a deposit and I copy address from this website. I copy address and you can see address is copied successfully. Please do not recharge other non-TRX address. It will be recorded by 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. After the recharge is completed, click the button below to get recharge amount. The minimum recharge is to 5 TRX. I send him a TRX of amount by my trust wallet. You can send him through any other wallets as you have accounts. I send him by TRX and I will remove the video when I send him a TRX. You can see that I sent him a 50 TRX deposit in my wallet to as a demo, and I go back to website and click on a get the deposit amount. You can see our application is submitted and the website is loading. I again click on a website. I wait when the arrival amount of my depositing in my account. And here you can see that I received my TRX in my trust wallet account trx.site, and you can how to withdraw from this website. I go to the mine options and you can see a withdrawal option. First you can see that I deposit a 50 TRX in this website. I click on a withdrawal option and you can see my daily limit is 1.25. You can increase your daily limit by investing a more and more TRX in this website. First I click my here password and my amount here and the number, and I clear all this and my limit is 1.25. this is increased 5% daily basis. And here you put your address have you copied from trust wallet. I paste here and I tell you how to copy address from this website. First I go to my trust wallet account to show you my account balance of TRX. First I open the lock. You can see that I have a 109.9 TRX. First you check out it and I go back to copy link. Click on TRX and click on receive option to copy this link and paste this website and click on a confirm option. You can that withdrawal successfully is come, and I wait for my withdrawal amount coming in my account. I here go to my trust wallet account and here I refresh. When I refresh you can see that my total trust wallet account is 1.11 because I withdrawal 1.25 amount from this. You can see that this is an error in our trust wallet and you can see my total amount. So that at the end I want to say my all subscriber and viewer, please like the video and also subscribe the channel. Take care, goodbye.